The Port of Palamos is one of those cruise ports that may not be very famous but works extremely well as a port of call. It is a small and very practical cruise port located on the Costa Brava, north of Barcelona, and its biggest advantage is how close it is to the town. When your cruise ship docks, you are just a 5-minute walk from the center of Palamos. There is no need for a shuttle or organized transport. You simply walk off the ship and you are already on the waterfront, surrounded by restaurants, cafes, shops, and seaside promenades. This makes Palamos an excellent option if you have a short stop or if you prefer an easy and stress-free port. Palamos is also very often included on the same Mediterranean cruise itineraries that stop in Port of Barcelona, which makes it a great complement to a Barcelona visit. While Barcelona offers a big city experience, Palamos provides a quieter and more relaxed coastal stop, adding variety to the itinerary without long transfers or complicated logistics. During the summer months, Palamos is a great stop for enjoying the Costa Brava lifestyle. You will find beaches and small coves nearby, clear water, and a relaxed Mediterranean atmosphere. Everything is walkable, which makes it ideal for travelers who prefer to explore at their own pace and stay close to the ship. What many people do not realize is that Palamos is also a very good port of call outside the summer season. In winter or during shoulder months, there are fewer tourists and the town feels calmer. It also becomes an excellent base for cultural visits in the region. From Palamos, it is easy to reach places such as the Dalí Theatre-Museum in Figueres or the city of Girona, known for its beautiful old town, medieval streets, impressive cathedral, and historic Jewish quarter. If you decide to stay in Palamos itself, food is one of the highlights. Personally, when I stop here, I always take the opportunity to enjoy a good rice dish or paella, and especially fresh seafood. Palamos is famous for its prawns, known as Palamos prawns, which are considered a local specialty and among the best seafood products in the area. All of this makes the Port of Palamos a very balanced and enjoyable cruise stop. It is perfect if you are looking for an easy, walkable port instead of a long excursion, and it works especially well as a complement to larger ports like Barcelona. Palamos may not be one of the most well-known cruise ports in the Mediterranean, but it is definitely an excellent stop. It is relaxed, walkable, and offers a great combination of scenery, culture, and gastronomy. If your cruise is stopping in Palamos and you would like specific restaurant recommendations for paella, fresh fish, or local prawns, let me know in the comments and I will be happy to share my suggestions. And if you enjoy practical cruise port guides like this one, you will find more ports and cruise tips on the channel.